guys, Dirk here, Sunshine Family. I'm gonna take you on a tour here in a beautiful $1 million villa here in Santa Teresa. Santa Teresa has many secrets, many hidden treasures where you can stay and spend the night, and we found this one, and this is just a freaking beautiful villa. And the weird thing is it has only 3 rooms, but it's gigantic. And I just want to take you in here and show you around a bit. Got an amazing view. I'm just gonna, turn the camera around and show you where we stay.
This is the good life. This is the good life.
So guys, we're here on the first floor of this beautiful villa. You see there's a walk around all the way around, and behind me we have an ocean view, and it's just a really nice place to be. So if you're thinking of having a holiday here in Santa Teresa, really make sure not only to dive into the Airbnbs, but also just ask around what is all there. You will find amazing places with amazing views of amazing people, because that is the only thing I can say. And it has been a crazy nice few days just to really spend here and absorb this view, and in the right time of the year you can see the whales passing by. And so there's more than to Santa Teresa than you would think. It's just a busy town downstairs and the noises. There is also it's quiet. We have monkeys in the evening, and you see birds, and we're on the top of the hill. So all behind us is jungle and with an ocean.